Hey everybody, alright, today we're going to be working on this Xbox 360. I've had this for a very long time. I know the disk drive does not open very well. It opens, but you kind of have to force it open. But I've had it for a really long time, just haven't taken it apart. So today we're going to be doing that and see what we can do to get it working. Alright. Alright, let's get started here. Alright, let's take a look here. There we go. Alright, so it won't come out at all unless you have a disk in. Like kind of locking up here. So right here, when it closes, this move. I need to lubricate it up here. There we go. And the track tube. Actually it opens now, but now it won't. Now it won't close. Without assistance. Oh. Take out some of that WD-40, maybe that'll. Maybe that was too much. Seems like it was slipping there. Slipping. Yeah. And the part that holds the disc down that comes up, looks like that's not engaging either. Yeah, there you go. Just a little bit up. There we go. Still a slip in there. At least it's engaging there. Oh. Center part is engaging now. Not sure exactly what that's called there, but that grabs the disc is now lifting up. Let's try it out here with the casing on. Let's try it again. So it works. Just not with the casing on. Let's try just the top. Like locking in. And it's down. Works again, yeah. Something about the top casing. Yeah, and then it goes locked again. Feels like it's magnetically pulled down. One thing I didn't get on camera was that little pulley, little rubber band there. I did clean that off camera. I didn't end up getting that, but that's basically what it looked like in the end. That might have been slipping, because that rubber band was slipping. But that did wonders. Didn't think that was going to be the fix. So I didn't do that here just to see, because it seemed like there was other issues there. But the rubber band, basically, that center piece is magnetically pulling the casing down, and it's locking, and it's supposed to do that to hold the disc, but then it's not. The rubber band must have been slipping and not strong enough to, or strong enough, but it wasn't able to grip it and really open and fight against that magnet. This whole thing was just dirty. Yeah, there was so much dust in this fan. There you go, clean up the workstation here. Beautiful. Play-Doh cup of isopropyl alcohol. Cleaning that rubber band really made the difference. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, so today's a different day. We got it all fixed up. I just finished it up, put it back together here, and yeah, now it's working just fine. On to the next thing. Like, subscribe, comment down below. We'll see you on the next video here. I'm going to be working on an N64. I'm excited to get started on that, and see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.